Hello people, we have mail again. So to share the shit I bought. Don't know what I'm up to now anyway. Yeah, about third, fourth, smaller. So I've got a few nice packages. Now better than coming home to some shit that you bought from China. Dirt cheap. That probably won't work. It's great. Come home to stuff like that. What have we got here? Oh. Oh, okay, cool. Ubex. What is the point of a Ubec? So you can give this a good chunk of voltage, and you can should be selectable. Yeah, selectable on the back. You have 5 volts or 6 volts at 3 amps. Perfect. Raspberry Pis, that kind of stuff. So a couple of them. There we go. I've no idea how much they are. I'll put a link in now as to with where I bought them from and that kind of thing. Quick look at the manual here. Yep. So 5 volts, 6 volts, 3 amps switchable. The switching power supplies. Switching power doodads. Don't know. Regulators, switching regulator. So you can get like a 7805 or similar to that, which you can crank them up to 3 amps. Some of them, but they lose a lot of power and heat. Whereas these, with the switching, you don't have that issue. They're much more efficient, that kind of stuff. So, all good. Let's have a look, see if we've got a limit on the battery on here. So, the power of the Beck is 40 watt, but the useful power, it probably is only somewhere 5.5 to 26 volts. That's quite a wide range. So that is awesome. But actually, most people use them for model flying, model aircraft, that kind of thing. But hey, that's cool. Works for me. So got one pack. That one's this is the same. No, that's not. These two appear to be from the same supplier. Return to GB11, GB11, Building 2, Stretford, Manchester. I have no idea where that is, so let's see what we've got. Oh, okay. Oops, might have ordered the wrong stuff here. These are SATA to USB. 2 seconds. And I should have a hard drive laid around here somewhere. Might even find a usable one. Yes, here we go. 3.5 inch, 2.5 inch. So basically, these should. And so we've now converted that to USB. USB 2, I think they are, not USB 3, but never mind. This is only a 60 gig drive, so I won't be using it. But you need to put power in on one, and the other one is data. And there you go. So you get old hard drives, you can actually use them again. And yeah, ideal for Raspberry Pi. In fact, that 60 gig drive is usable for Raspberry Pi. There's no reason why you can't. If you're using Retro Pi or something like that. But I'm planning on seeing just how many I can plug into my Raspberry Pi. Just for the hell of it, why not? Obviously. So I'm turning that over so you don't get too much reflection. That's the only reason that's turned over. Not sure what's in this one. Oh, okay. So I should be getting, and I did have somewhere, 18650s. So 18650, yeah. 18650s, I think I've got some buck boost converters, so I'll be able to lift the 18650 up to 5 volts. Again, handy for little USB projects, that kind of thing. You know, it's 5 volts. It's good current, good power to have. 18650s supply a good current. And if you use them with something like this, you can recharge them, all that kind of stuff. So you can almost semi-UPS it. And funnily enough, that's the plan. So a few of them. That's actually quite handy. Look like good quality. I wouldn't. The wire, I think I'll probably replace the wire because that wire looks a bit chintzy. I wouldn't trust that with more than, well, I wouldn't trust it, full stop. But yeah, they're designed for 18650. 18650 cells. Laptop battery packs. The laptop battery pack, they've usually got 18650s. I did have some laid around somewhere, but not got any more. Or you could also, he says, rip these out of laptop power supplies. Very handy to have around. But yeah, I've got some 18650s somewhere. I'll have to dig them out and plug a few in for charging and that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so exciting. Nah, good stuff though.